अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका अपना बिलाल मोइन और आप देख रहे हैं बिलाल मोइन यूट्यूब चैनल। अच्छा जी, इस वक्त मैं खड़ा हूं हडर्सफील्ड में और हडर्सफील्ड में एक बड़ी ही स्पेशल चीज़ है मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए और वो है जी ये द लैड्स। द लैड्स एक कैजुअल डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट है जो रिसेंटली ओपन हुआ है 3 चेरी स्ट्रीट सेंटर पर। ये बिल्कुल इसकी लोकेशन आप देख लें, मेन स्ट्रीट है वो कोने पर नैंडोस है, ये सामने नवाब है, इसके बिल्कुल बराबर में ये दी लैड्स है। तो इस दी लैड्स की मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ें बताता हूँ कि वाई यू शुड विजिट दी लैड्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम ब्रदर, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं यार? टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दी लैड्स यार।
Peri-peri chicken, grilled chicken restaurant. So
Okay.
We just started here, and hopefully we'll get better.
So first of all, tell me the address of this restaurant, like how people can reach here.
Yeah. So this is the town center.
Mhm.
So the address is 3 Cherry Center, Market Street.
Okay.
The people mostly known as the old oodles.
Old Oodles.
Yeah, the oodles. So,
Okay, what is the specialty of the lads? Like, it's seriously saucy or some other value additions?
Our specialty is the sauces. Chicken is only the same, but our specialty is the sauces and the flames and that kind of stuff. That's our feature bowl.
Feature wall. So you got 20% off for students, right?
Yeah, right now we have 20% off for students, NHS, emergency services. It's expiring on 30th December.
30th December. This is your menu, right?
Yeah.
So you take care of our allergies also, right? So Sharia Halal board, it's 100% halal, right? This is your full menu?
Yeah, that's takeaway menu.
Takeaway menus.
I want you to show these drinks. Really good flavored drinks.
It's pacha.
Yeah, pacha. So these are normally expensive from the normal cans, but these drinks are really good. They're recommended drinks.
Recommended drinks. Okay. And these are your open open kitchen concept, right?
And over there is the grill. That's when we're grilling for smash burgers, fries, and chip duns. The milkshake machine, the milkshake, they're very nice. And also the kitchen is there as well. In fact,
So what is your most, like you can say, recommended dish?
the most recommended dish is two I recommended. The smash burgers and lamb chops.
Smash burger and
If
lamb
you can
chop.
focus on that, I'll show you the picture. That is the lamb chops.
Okay.
The most recommended dish for us.
Okay.
And these are the smash burgers.
Smash burgers.
Yep.
And the price is also very reasonable, it's not so
Very
costly.
reasonable prices. The students can afford it, and the families can afford it. So these are the platters for the families.
Okay. So the prices are so reasonable and the sauces are so special. So you guys can visit and have a, just have a good time here. Just try the lads once at least.